Hello everyone, myself Arshit Navin. In this video, we will learn to interface the DE1 SoC board with a monitor through the VGA controller. For this, we require a VGA cable and a DE1 SoC board. We will be implementing this in the Quartus Prime software. We will be implementing this image on the screen. So let's begin. Let's try to open the Quartus software and begin the steps. So the steps are the same. We have to create a new project, assign a working directory and a file name. So I have given the project name as a top VGA. Then let's go to next step. Next, so in these steps we will be adding the 3 VHDL files which will be used to generate the image on the screen. These 3 files were provided by for us. Next, let's select the proper device. It is 5CSCMF5F316. Next, finish. Now we have opened the project. Now let's try to create a pixel clock using Quartus IP. So in the IP catalog, let's go to the library. Under the library, basic function. Under the basic function, press clocks and PLLs and reset. Under the clocks PLL, go to PLL. In this, let's select the PLL Intel FPGA IP. Since our files are VHDL, let's select the file type will also be VHDL. Let's give the file name as DCM Altera. So in this, I have given a reference clock frequency as 50 megahertz, and I have disabled the locked output port and the desired frequency as 108 megahertz. The reference clock frequency can be modified based upon the screen resolution. Let's click finish. Now you can see that the files are getting generated. See, you can see over here that files have been generated. This is the VHDL and this is the .v file. Over here, this is where the reference clock frequency can be changed, then again recompiled based upon the screen resolution. Now let's create the new STC file. Even whenever if you change the DCM Altera clock frequency, you also need to change the clock period as well. Over here, since I have given it as 50 megahertz, the clock period will be 20 nanosecond. Now let's compile this design. Once it's compiled, now let's assign the pins. Now let's go to the assignment and the pin planner. These are the pins generated. This is the following pin as indicated in the Terasic D1 SoC board user manual. As you all can see that I have assigned the pin location by looking into the manual. Now let's close this window. Now let's program this. Let's go to the program devices, double click. Let's add a SOF file. Right click, edit, change file, output files, SOF, open. After this, click, then press start. See, you all can see that it has been successfully programmed. Now let's see the image on the screen. This is how it looks like. See, this image we are able to successfully program and display on the screen. The connection, we have connected the VGA cable. Thank you.